In this video, we'll see how we can create a branding for our YouTube channel. So the first thing first, we're going to create a logo for our YouTube channel. So I'm going to go here to canva.com and I'm going to go and search for logo. So it will give me logo sizes. I'll just click over here. So here you can see there are a lot of options over here. So let's go with the blank one. And another thing that we're going to create is a channel banner or YouTube banner. So we have YouTube banners as well. Just click over here. So here is our blank canvas, and you can search for different kind of logos over here, and we can add these logos to our YouTube channel. So our brand name was Investopedia, of course. So let's search here about finance, see if we have any niches related to finance, any templates that are finance related logos. Okay, so I like this logo. Just click on that and it will be added to your page, and you can name it like this, Investopedia. So we have our name. We can always go and change the colors. I'm gonna go with maybe an orange. Okay, so here as well, change the color to orange. And we can also, of course, we don't have a tagline over here. So for that purpose, we're gonna go and we're gonna create a tagline. So to create a tagline, I'm gonna go inside ChatGPT and we're gonna ask for create a tagline for my YouTube channel named, so this is the name of our YouTube channel. We need a tagline for it. So empowering your financial knowledge one video at a time. Okay, make it funnier and give me 5 of these. So we want it to be a little bit more funnier and we want 5 of these. Okay, Investopedia, where finance meets fun, just as at. Okay, so here we can see Investopedia, making money move, and dad jokes since. Okay, so I think this one will work fine, where finance meets fun. I'll just copy this and here we can paste it. Investopedia, where finance meets fun. Okay, this is good. I'm going to go here to YouTube channel banners. I'll just create a blank one. We can just copy everything over here and we can go over here and we can paste it. I'll just Control C and Control V. Here you can see I want this to be, I only want to add this logo and this tagline over here. Okay, so like this, I'm gonna change it to left aligned like this and add the logo over here. Okay, so you can select both of these, Control G to group it and then place it right in the center. Okay, so you can change the background as well. I'm gonna go here into elements and search for white. So I want this white background, but I want a little bit pattern on it. So let's see if we have an image with patterns. So I can go with this. We can have this. I'm just experimenting. So this one will look fine. It will look good. So let's try any of these. So what you need to do is select one of these and okay, let's go with this one. Okay, this one looks really good. So we have our logo ready and our banner, YouTube channel banner is ready. So what I'm going to do is we are going to download these and add it to our YouTube channel. So to download, just go over here and download it. If you have a Pro variant, you can increase the size up to 3, but you can also go with this one. So download it and add it to your YouTube channel. This is how we're going to do branding for our YouTube channel.